Has your business went passwordless? Nobody likes passwords, they're inconvenient. They're a prime target for attacks. Yet for years, they've been the most important layer of security for everything in our digital lives, from email to bank accounts, shopping carts to video games. Recently, Microsoft announced that it's making passwordless logins a feature of all its product lines, including Office 365. This is great news for businesses of all sizes as it reduces the risks of a data breach or cyber attack against critical IT infrastructure. The rollout of passwordless logins is simple, and most IT providers are now switching their clients over to this more secure authentication method. All that's required is a mobile app that links your business account to your cell phone. Anytime you need to log into your account, a push notification is sent down to your device for you to confirm access. No need to remember passwords or change them every other month. If your business would like further information or assistance in deploying passwordless logins, then speak with us today by clicking the link below.